Hello everyone, my name is Benjamin and welcome back to BlabenSolutions. So it's all about you actually customizing the working space of Adobe Photoshop to suit your personal need. So in today's video tutorial, we are actually going to look at how to add more shortcuts to our panels and even our tabs and some of the ribbons that we have in Adobe Photoshop. So over here, you could actually bear with me that when you come in here, we have some few shortcut keys that you normally work with, and it actually helps you a lot. And do you know we can actually add shortcut keys to these other ones that has no shortcut key? This video is coming up shortly. Alright, so guys, before we kickstart this video, if this is your first time of being in the channel or joining us here, this is BlabenSolutions and we're into the production of graphic design video tutorials. So if you think videos of such nature would be of great benefit to you, then I encourage you to hit the subscribe button, check the bell icon to all so as to be the first person to be notified whenever we release new videos, and do all to also share the videos to your other colleagues to also learn from what you are also learning. Alright, so back to our video. So quickly, if you come to file, as I said early on, we have some shortcut keys. We have in the menu tab, we have some shortcut keys that you normally love to work with and you are so happy whenever working with it. Did you actually know you could also customize the ones that has no shortcut key attached to it? So something like share on Behance, search Adobe stock, so other stuff like that. Did you ever know you could actually add shortcut keys to them? So personally, let's try and see what we can actually do in here. So first of all, to do that, let's go to edit on the menu tab and come down to keyboard shortcut. So the shortcut key for keyboard shortcut is Alt Shift Control K. That is too long, but we can actually change this, right, to suit our personal needs. So Alt Shift Control K. So let's click on keyboard shortcut, and in here you can see that all the menu tabs that we have here are actually in here. So the entire 11 menu tabs that we have up here are all here. So when you click on the drop down icon, you could see, or you remember that under file menu tab we have new, open, browse and bridge, open as, and all the other stuffs that we have in here. Good. So let's see, let me just do some one or two examples and we will be done for this video. So with this one, I actually like doing this PDF style stuff a lot. So if I want to do PDF presentation, what is the shortcut key that I can do? Now mind you, we have this shortcut showing in here, so just beneath it you can just click anywhere and we can add the shortcut here. So let's say click here and we can add the shortcut. So don't shiver, like don't put fear in yourself. So don't be bothered. Actually, whenever you put in a shortcut key that is already in use, the system prompts you and informs you about what you've done. So let's say Control D. So it tells you in here that Control D is already in use and will be removed from select, deselect if accepted, right? So if you want to accept it, is you just say accept and go to conflict. So if I don't want this, I just say undo changes. So PDF presentation, let me say Control Shift D. Control is already in use. Wow, this is also already in use. So let's say Control Shift 1. Great. So Control Shift 1 for the PDF presentation, and let me click on OK here. When we are done, just say OK, and we already done a modification to this, so let's click OK, and that is it. So if I want to do a PDF presentation, just say Control Shift 1 and it gives me access to do the PDF presentation. So that is it for you guys. So we just have to browse for our files and automatically we can actually work on the PDF presentation. So that is it, guys. This brings us to the end of today's short video tutorial. I believe you've learned something. If you did, please do want to give this video a thumbs up by liking it, and also put down your comment in the comment box below. Until I come your way next time, that is still BlabenSolutions, and see you in the next one.